barbecue. Jim Bob said it's fine. Good morning, everyone. How you doing? Oh, what a tiring day. I am exhausted today. I didn't sleep well. I don't know why. I think it was because I had a nap in the afternoon. Anyways, I'm in just south of Hastings on Rice Lake, and I'm going to be heading into Peterborough. I'm going to stay there one night at a Craftworks place. Should be interesting. It's not something I want to spend money on because you're encouraged to buy stuff from wherever you go. So I'm not somebody who's really into arts and crafts, but we'll see if we can spend some money on something. And then tomorrow I start heading back south towards Oshawa, Ontario. I have I have packages there to pick up, and I want to resupply and do another tour. But that's another video. Anyway, let's get set up here. I'm almost done. I'm almost ready to go. It's 11ish, and let's go enjoy the day. It's a gorgeous day. I can't even get over it. It's dry. It's not too hot so far. It's early yet, and it'd be a nice driving day too, I think. Okay, I said my goodbyes. Turn the power off. We're good to go. Okay, so where I'm going is near Peterborough anyways. So I'm going to stop at the Costco there. $300. Wow. And I found Element. Zero sugar hydration. This stuff is the best. It's most expensive, but it's the best. Okay, I thought I'd just package them up. You know what I forgot to get? I forgot to get a little marker pen. I like to put the date on them. Yeah, for those of you that are on trail, you want healthy electrolytes. Element, whatever, Element, they are the best because they have zero sugar. They're very, very salty, but they are the best, bar none. Okay, I'm just going to park here and go in and find out, talk to somebody. I'm right here. Okay, this place is cool. This is the flattest spot over here, but I don't want to get too close to this dense stuff. I'll tell you why. One word: mice. Mice love to come out of the tall grass and take a mad dash for any vehicle they can find. Okay, I'm all set up and met some really nice people from Montreal. Gonna go in and shop for a while and check it out. And I think what I'm gonna do is eat off their chip truck here or whatever. Let's get a hamburger or something. I don't know if I get French fries, but definitely a hamburger. Patronize their business, right? And they have an ice cream place too. Groceries loves ice cream. Wow. Check this out, guys. Isn't this insane? I feel like I'm back in the 50s or 60s. Some of these items are just so old and antiquated. But they really do bring back memories for me. Some of them. Some of them are too old for me, but this is so cool. I can't even get over it. There's toys. Look at that 64 and a half Mustang. That was the first year Mustang was made. Baseball caps. $169. Yikes. Wow. Yeah, these pictures of albums or of artists And some of their albums that are for sale here are just, they bring back my childhood. Some of the bands that I went to watch and listen to. Toy cars. I never played with toy cars, but there's Dinky Toys there. And then later on, I guess they had what? Hot Wheels. It's just crazy. I've never seen anything like it. These are all Hot Wheels up there at the top. Everything's here. But most of them are just one-off items. That's what I'm noticing. Wow, look at this. It's the first stereo I ever had right there. 7200 Kenwood. Oh, wow. Crazy. I love this. This is wild. Hey, I need a couple dish rags. Not towels, dishcloths. Look at this furniture made by Mennonites. Wow. This is going to last for a lifetime. This is amazing. Mennonites are like what you call Quakers, I think, don't you? Down in the States? Somebody can correct me if I'm wrong. Ooh, rechargeable 12-volt lights. Might be handy to have a couple of backups in the rig. Oh, that was fun. It's an interesting place. There was records, vinyl, that I remember owning. We used to put them into milk crates, and they had the bagged milk. Or do they still sell that? They might even still sell that stuff. And it would fit an album perfectly. I must have had 20 of those crates full. I don't even know what happened to them. I have no idea. But, so I had something to eat. I went in the store. I patronized them. I spent the money there. So, I felt obligated to buy something. Nice little van, eh? Very nice. Wow. I like it. There's my baby over there in the shade. I got to work on my generator while it's still light out. I have to clean the carburetor. Are they good? I just looked down at part. Oh my God. Yeah. We got some people here. Hello. I'm good. Nice people. Couple, they just came in. They were out on their sea-doo out on the lake. It's called Shamong Lake, this one. Remember I was telling you I was trying to figure out what it was called? Good morning, everyone. Well, I got up late, got set up real quick. I got a lot to do today. Just relaxed, enjoyed myself, met some nice people here. And today I got a lot to do. It's purple. Shamong Lake, just outside of Peterborough. Okay, I just said goodbye to my neighbors. They subscribed, so they're going to reach out and talk and stay in touch. My truck should be warmed up now. Yay! But I have to unlock it. I love the remote start. Love the remote start.